Your assets are safe on OKX because you can verify. Here's how. Proof of reserves means you can verify all customer deposits held within exchange are indeed backed by real assets on a 1-to-1 reserve ratio. That means for every dollar in deposits, there's a dollar in assets. By checking proof of reserves, you can see your assets are safe on OKX. This is done using a technology called ZK Stark and means you don't have to blindly trust an exchange. ZK Stark is a cryptographic method that proves information is true without revealing details about user accounts, keeping your data private. You can ensure your assets are safe on OKX by verifying your assets and checking your balance inclusion. To do this, you'll verify OKX's proof of reserves by downloading 3 files: inclusion proof file, liability report, and a ZK Stark validator. Step 1. Download the inclusion proof file. Visit the Proof of Reserves report page on the OKX website. Click Details to access your balance report. Copy the JSON data, paste it into a text editor, and save it as a file ending with _inclusion_proof.json. Step 2. Download the liability report. Go to the Proof of Reserves page on OKX and download the latest liability report. Save the report in the same folder as the previous file. Step 3. Download the OKX ZK Stark validator. Go to OKX's GitHub releases and download the validator tool. Save this file in the same folder as the other 2 files. With all 3 files downloaded, open the ZK Stark validator executable file. If the verification passes, you'll see the result inclusion constraint, validation passed. If the verification fails, you'll see the result inclusion constraint, validation failed. And that's how you confirm OKX's proof of reserves and the inclusion of your assets.